After winning the toss, innings star Keduru choose to ball first. UP team are going to bat first, the first time in this tournament. Very new experience for the UP team, and also other teams are looking very closely into this team. The other teams are very known cricketers are playing in the rest of the teams, but this UP team is the new team, new players coming all the way from UP. Uttar Pradesh. Bharat is a new bowler. Two new ball will be played in the each innings. Krishna Hasar and Raghu are officiating in this game. You're watching live telecast in Cricksay YouTube channel. The 6 cameras are used in this tournament, and also both the team will having one review in the each innings. All set for the game number 5. Bharat having a ball right arm over the wicket. Vishwajit, Chandan are the two openers. Vishwajit on strike. Bharat taking his own time. Right arm over the wicket to Vishwajit for the first time. Very well bowled, equally well played. Beautiful cricketing shot. Play towards the covers and crosses for the single. There is a man in the log off, comes through the extra cover and collect the ball. 1 run up the mark. And Chandan is the new batsman. That's a different. We have seen many orthodox style of batting. The new stance, new grip. Beautifully played. The important thing is the presentation of the bat through the ball. Through the ground, towards the cover point for a single now. Vishwajit, Bharat, beautifully played. Is the captain fielding in the third man region. Settled for the single. 3 singles considered from Bharat. Uttar Pradesh team, the Chandan, is having a unique batting style and also in the grip. Beautifully played. This time is his grip. Having a wide grip towards his. Once again, beautiful ball, completely beaten. Good over to end. Ended with the dot ball, keeping away from the batsman. Very good carry to the wicket keeper. After the completion of over number 1, the score remains on 5. Chandan is batting on 2 and Vishwajit is batting on 3 after 1 over. It's a very good start from the both side. The Bharat, the bowler from inning star Keduru. The left-hand batsman, left-hand bowler Akshay, all the way from Bangalore to represent Keduru team here. Left-hand bowler Akshay. After long gap, Akshay back into the action. We have to see how he'll going to start the proceedings. So one of the very good bowler. Left arm around the wicket. To Vishwajit. Akshay for the fast ball. Started with a very good ball. Good long ball. And batsman once again guided the ball, waited to the ball, just open the face of the bat in the last moment and play towards the backward point for a single. Score moves on to 6. Akshay to Chandan. Look at the bat lift off from Chandan. Unique bat grip and the very high bat lift. It's a good ball from Akshay, bowling a dodge ball in the very second ball. So very good cricketer, very experienced left-hand bowler Akshay, all the way from Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Akshay for the third time. Keeping the ball away from the batsman. The batsman had no clue. That's a very good thinking from the bowler. Notice the batsman and just keep away from the batsman. Chandan is on under pressure now. Couple of dot balls. This time waited to the ball. Played it in the soft hands. Crosses for the single. Couple of balls remaining in this over. So far it's a very good over, very tight over. Just 2 runs coming in from 4 balls. Not even a single boundary considered at in the over number 2. Akshay. Beautifully bowled. The chance of a boundary. No, very good work from the fielder. They runs a couple of steps through his right and collect the ball. Kept for a single. Score moving on to 8. 3 runs coming in this over. Last ball coming up. Ball, the length ball there. The chance of a run out there. Direct hit would have been an interesting call. No damage done. 1 more run added to the total. End of over number 2. Score moving on to 9. 9 without a wicket. Team Uttar Pradesh. Sonebhadra Uttar Pradesh team managed to score 9 runs after 2 overs. Bharat bowled 1 over, consider 5 runs, no wicket. Akshay bowled 1 over, considering only 4 runs. Once again, Bharat to continue. Bharat to Chandan. Chandan need to find some rhythm here. Oh, that's a smart batting. Launches for the captain there. Does it well. Prahalad Shetty using his footwork. Very good skills from him. It's a very good batting. Equally well fielded. Very good cricketing all-round show from both the team there. Bharat is the bowler. Even Bharat is keeping it very, very tight. Not giving anything for the batsman to free his arms. The second ball of the third over coming up. Short pitch, looking for the cut. Some extra bounce there. Completely beaten. Very good carry to the wicket keeper. So good bowling from Bharat. Lankish bowler. Once again, beautifully bowled. Up goes the finger. Batsman need to walk back. Once again, hitting the deck hard. Batsman wanted to play it in the front foot. No clue for the batsman. It was a beautiful ball. Completely deceived. Caught the outside edge and straight to the wicket keeper. Wicket keeper is really waiting for it. The simple catch in the end. First wicket goes down. Very good spell from Bharat. Batsman name? New batsman is Dilip. Bharat Dilip. Uttar Pradesh team on the back foot here. Once again, using his back, hitting deck hard. This time Dilip managed to pick up a single. Once again, the Prahalad Shetty in action. The batsmen need to find some way to score runs up, to score a few boundaries here. Consecutively, the Bharat is hitting the deck. This time, it's a very good bowling change. Very good work by the fielder Akshay. No run there. A dot ball to end. What a over. Just 2 runs considered. What a spell from Bharat. Completed a spell of 2 overs. Just considered 7 runs. Picked up an all important wicket. Kept the top order batsman silent there. It's a completely dominating from the first 2 bowlers, Akshay and Bharat. Akshay bowled 1 over for 3 runs, no wicket. And Bharat kept the things very, very tight and pick up a wicket. Vishwajit is batting really well and is the batsman depart after scoring 5. The Chandan need to find the rhythm here for Uttar Pradesh. He had a lot of time in the middle. Now he need to capitalize. He need to take this opportunity of scoring that all important quick runs here to pick the run rate high. Score 11 for 1, end of 3 overs. Oh, beautifully bowled. No clue for the batsman there. Using his rush really, really well. The batsman had no clue. Struck him on the body. Struck him on the back foot there. Chintu for the second time. To Dilip. Once again, it's a very good leg cutter bowling. Very good bowling skills from this bowler, from Chintu. All 3 bowlers having this very good control over the ball and very disciplined. The first time the Uttar Pradesh team is taking part in the coastal and having a time in the middle. It's not so easy to go from the ball number 1. It's a very good batting. It's slightly a fuller length. Batsman had an opportunity to look the boundary there, but played straight to the man in the mid wicket. 4th time. Oh, length ball. Once again, this is completely a missed opportunity from the batsman. Chandan, he had a lot of time in the middle. Not going to help the team. With the help of this run, score moves on to 13. In the over number 4. It looked like a low scoring game once again. Oh, this is some sloppy from Chintu there, conceding a run there where there's a dot ball, gifting the run for the batting team. All important runs for the Uttar Pradesh team. And everyone knows, even the Uttar Pradesh team may have the very good bowling attack. It's good batting. It's the end of over number 4. Just a single to conclude the over number 4. Score 15. Pandra. End of 4 overs. Score 15 for the loss of 1 wicket. 8 overs a game. All 3 bowlers has been so disciplined in their line and length. Chintu had given the couple of opportunity, couple of bowling, a full length and the pull toss. The batsman Chandan and Dilip had an opportunity to find the boundary. Never know, the next 4 overs might be a game changing. They can look for the few boundaries and increase their run rate. Anything over 50 plus, still they can fight back through this innings. So far, this team inning starts. Keduru is dominating from the ball number 1. The Bharat bowled 2 overs for 7 runs, picked up a wicket. Akshay bowled 1 over for 4 runs, and Chintu bowled 1 over for 4 runs. No wicket for each. Raghu and Krishna Hasan are officiating in this game. No X factor used from the both side. It means only 8 players they will going to play throughout this game. Only in the bowling power play they can use the substitute fielder. Still a batting power play and bowling power play left for the both sides. Nitesh right arm over the wicket. Oh, the good bowling, equally well played. Batsman looking for a single day, and finally they are able to complete the run day. 16. Nitesh. With a unique bowling action, bowling from the back of the hand. Now, after pitching ball came in sharply to the batsman. Batters are finding very, very difficult in the middle there. This time, that's a smart bowling, changing the... Oh, fast boundary! That's a lucky boundary! Bisecting the 2 fielders, bisecting the point fielder and the third man fielder. The first boundary, all important one for the team. After bowling off cutter, bowler Nitesh tried for the leg cutter this time. The batsman was waiting for it and just open the face of the bat, and this time it's off cutter. So predictive this time. Batsman was waiting for that. Batsman is so early to read the mind of the bowler. It's very quick to pick up the slant, pick up the off cutter, and uses the stretch towards the square leg. 2 boundary all of a sudden. Some hopes are back in the Uttar Pradesh team here. One more run added to the total. Score moving on to 25. 10 runs so far in this over. 2 boundaries and couple of singles. Last ball of the over number 5. Still the opener batsman still in the middle. Looking for the single and leg by signal by the umpire. All important run. End of over number 5. Score 26. 26. End of 5 overs. All of a sudden, the 11 runs coming in the over number 5, and some hopes are back. Now the small huddle between the bowling side. The captain is having a few words with teammates, taking some time. Inning stars Keduru. The costly over from Nitesh. 1 misfield. And this time the bowling team will going to opt the bowling power play. It means 1 more fielder is allowed to field in the team. That means 9 players will going to be in the field in the bowling power play.
ನಮ್ಮಿ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಪಾಂಚಜನ್ಯ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಪರವಾಗಿ.
Bowling power play, no field restrictions in the bowling power play. It means all the fielders can field in the boundary line. They are allowed, and also 1 more fielder, extra fielder will going to be come in the bowling power play. Chintan is the bowler to bowl the bowling power play. Chintu. Abhishek Chintu into the attack. To ball is second over of the quota. In the over number 6, score 26. Chintu. Dilip. Sorry, Chandan is the batsman. Played the ball towards the mid wicket for a single. The man in from Dilip. So batting with the help of a couple of boundaries in the last over. He's having a lot of responsibility in the remaining overs. Still at least 4 to 5 boundaries. It will get back into this game. It's outside edge. The good work from the wicket keeper. By the time a wicket keeper collect the ball and throw, that's enough for the batsman to cross for the single. Score moving on to 28. Chintu. Oh, beautiful ball. Very good variation this time. After pitching the ball, slightly moving away from the batsman. The touch fuller, but batsman and the back foot unable to pick the length. The fourth ball, sorry. Oh, we had to wait and see. Palla tried everything. What a beautiful piece of fielding. Big round of applause for him. The team captain. Saved certain boundary there. Saved at least 3 runs for the team. Palla, really very good work from the captain Palla there. Taking some time there. It's a beautiful piece of fielding from the team captain in the third man region. It's a very good camera work from the cricket cameraman. Once again, beautiful ball. And important wicket. Score 29 for the loss of 2 wickets. Losing the second wicket in the over number 6. The good comeback from Chintu. The credit goes to the team captain Palla. Saved 3 runs for his side in this over with the full and dive towards his left. New batsman is walking in. It's Govind. Last ball coming up. Govind. Play towards covers and score moves on to 30. 30. 6 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯದ ನಂತರ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 30. End of 6 overs, score 30 for the loss of 2 wickets. Team Uttar Pradesh. I request fielding side to move on the game. We are running short of a time. Still 7 more games left in the day. We need to catch up the time. We request both the team captains and the officials to move on the catch up the time. And Akshay back into the attack and the over. And it's a batting power play. Batting power play. That means the 2 fielders will come close to the and mid on and mid off will be in the place. No fielder will allowed in the long off region.
Shetty umpire versus Nizam Warriors. Toss ಗಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. Last call for you. Shetty umpire versus Nizam Warriors. Toss ಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ.
The good batting, looking for a scoop, finds a man in the long leg. 1 more run added to the total. Only 2 boundaries in the over number 5. Nitesh went for 11 runs in the over number 5. Dilip, once again Dilip completely beaten. We have to wait and see for the umpire signal. Yes, it is. It's a bye signal by the umpire. It's a good bowling from Akshay there. Govinda back on strike. Once again, struck him on the body. Batsman crosses for the single. Good piece of bowling from Akshay in the power play. After many days, is back to the cricket, and what a bowling, offered an appeal.
ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Will they go
ನಿಜಾಮ್
for the
ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್.
review? No, don't think so. And wicket keeper is not convinced. That means they will not go for the review here. Couple of balls left. The very good bowling from Akshay in the power play, the batting power play, not giving any scoring boundary ball here. Dilip need to find his form. The Akshay is known for his beautiful orthodox bowling, and end of the over. One more ball remaining. Akshay consider one run in this over. The other two runs are by and leg by. That means a very good spell now from Akshay. First over he just consider 4 runs. This time. So what a spell from Akshay. 2 overs for 6 runs. No wicket. Still it is a beautiful bowling from Akshay. Last over remaining. It might be Nitesh will going to bowl the last over. His touch expensive in the bowling lineup. Consider 2 boundaries. Who will going to bowl the last penultimate over? Uttar Pradesh team need a few runs, at least a couple of boundary in the last over. Yes, it is. Nitesh is going to bowl the last over. It's a good opportunity to bounce back, find from rhythm in the tournament for Nitesh. A batsman wanted to change the bat. Uttar Pradesh managed to score 34 runs and 7 overs. It's a low scoring game so far in the entire tournament. Nitesh to bowl the last over. 34. Nitesh, right arm over the wicket to the opener batsman Chandan. Place the ball towards the fine leg. Once again, Palla, the fielder, one more run added to the total, score 35. Last 5 balls remaining in the first innings of the game number 5 in the day 2. We have to wait and see the umpire signal. Might be leg byes. Signals from umpire Mr. Krishna from Hassan, all the way from Hassan to officiate in this game. Still 4 balls remaining. It's a good comeback from Nitesh after the expensive over in the over number 5. It's a good comeback. And also the credit goes to the captain believing in his bowler and backing the bowler, giving some confidence to bounce back into the game. Oh, beautiful, beautiful ball. And Chandan as the batsman has struggled throughout the innings. Is the batsman from the ball number 2. Still is struggling to find the timing and the placement. Last ball of the innings remaining. Score 37. 37 ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ. ಕೊನೆಯ ಎಸೆತ. Length ball. It's a good over. Good comeback from Nitish. Just conceding 3 runs in this over. Score moves on to 38. It's a good spell from all the bowlers, and after winning the toss, team inning star Keduru managed to restrict the team for the lowest score of the tournament. It's a 38. 39 needed from 48 balls for Keduru team. Uttar Pradesh, we never know. They might have a different game plan. We had seen Dudhsagar team had a very good bowling attack from Uttar Pradesh played in the last year tournament. 39 target. 39 Raguri.
ಫಸಲ್ ಹೊನ್ನಾಳ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹತ್ತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಫಸಲ್ ಹೊನ್ನಾಳ. ಹಲೋ ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಸಮಯ ಮೀರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Bow to the king.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ಆರಂಭಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೋಹನ್ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸತ್ಯಂ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯಂ. ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯಂ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಲ. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಹನ್. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಹಲವಾರಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. ಅಂತಾರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೋನೆಭದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ವೇಲನ ಖಾತೆ ಆರಂಭಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 39ರ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನತ್ತಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕೆದೂರು ತಂಡ. ಸತ್ಯಂ ಎಸೆತ ಚೆಂಡು ಬಳಸುತ್ತ ಹೊಡೆತ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. 4 ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸತ್ಯಂ. ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಬಹಳ ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 9. 9 ವಿದೌಟ್ ಲಾಸ್. 39ರ ಗುರಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ತಂಡ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಉಳಿತಾಯವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. 13-30. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಕೋಚ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕೋಚ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಯುಕ್ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಬಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ. ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್. ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಸುಂದರತೆಯ ಸತ ಒಂದು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲ ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯದ ಬಳಿಕ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 14. ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 14. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ತಂಡ ಬಹುಶಃ ಕಳೆದ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಿನ್ಸನ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಗಾಗಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಹುಶಃ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪಚ್ಚ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಲಹೆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನ ಸಮಯದಿಂದ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರವಿ ಎಸ್ಎಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ಯಾದವ್. ರವಿ ಯಾದವ್ ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ. ಒಂದು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯನ್ನ ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 15. ಮತ್ತೆ ರವಿ ಯಾದವ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಚೆಂಡು. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ತಂಡ 3 ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೆಂಟರ್ 3 ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗರ್, ಒಂದೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಬಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪಚ್ಚ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಚೆಂಡು. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಹೊಡೆತ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ಖಾತೆಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ಯಾದವ್. ವೇಲುಗೆ ಎಸೆತ ಚೆಂಡು. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ. ಒಂದು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಿತಭಾಷೆಗಳು, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅನುಭವಿ ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕರು ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಘು ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಡೆ ದುಬಾರಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ದುಬಾರಿ ಅಂಕಣ ಒಳಭಾಗ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬೇಗನೆ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇರಾದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ತಂಡದ ಮಾಜಿ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಗಾರುಡಿಗ ಸಾಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಯೇಶ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎರಡು ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯದ ಬಳಿಕ ತಡೆದ ಮೊತ್ತ 20. ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ 6 ಓವರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 19 ಆಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಸುಲಭದ ಜಯಗಳಿಸುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಎದುರು. Nizam Arias won the toss, elected to field first. ಶಿವಂ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಅನುಭವಿ ಎಸೆತಗಾರ ಶಿವಂ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಆಡುವಂತ ತಂಡ ಈಗ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಶಿವಂ ಬಾಲ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಬೌಲ್. ವೇಲು ಹುದ್ದರಿ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಉಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗರ್ ಯಾಕಲನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಶಿವಂ. ಹೆಸರೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಶಿವಂ ದುಬೆ. ಹೊಸ ಆಟಗಾರ ಜೀತು. ಜಿತೇಶ್ ಶಿವಂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಸಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏಳು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಹೊಸ ಸೀಲನಪ್ಪಿನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭವಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಗಳು ಮುಂದುವರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಕಾಟ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಬಲವಾದಂತ ಮನವಿ. ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಮನವಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅನುಭವ ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕ ರಘು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವ ಶಿವಂ ಟು ಜಿತು. ಸುಂದರತೆ ಎಸೆತ ಯಾಕಲಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾರಿ. ಶಿವಂ ಅವರ ಎಸೆತಗಾರಿಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಿಕ್ಕರಿ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ತಡೆದ ಮೊತ್ತ 21. ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ ಟು ಮೋಹನ್. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ. ವಿಶ್ವಜಿತ್ ಠಾಕೂರ್ ಸುಂದರತೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವಿಶ್ವಜಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಹುಶಃ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ನಾಚಾರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಆತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಕೆದೂರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮೋಹನ್ಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಂದರತೆ ಎಸೆತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂಗಣ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 26. ತರದ ಮೊತ್ತ 27. ಕೇವಲ 12 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಪಾಂಚಜನ್ಯ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿತೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸಾರಥ್ಯದ ಅತಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ 3 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಹಬ್ಬ 2ನೇ ದಿನವನ್ನ ಕಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತನ್ಮಧ್ಯೆ LBWಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸದ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ. ಔಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಘೋಷಣೆ. ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂತಿಮ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದಂತೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೆದೂರಿನ ನಾಯಕ ಪಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂತೋಷ ಪ್ರಭು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವರು ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಹಾಡಿಕೆರೆ ಇವರಿರುವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರವಿ ಯಾದವ್ ಎಸೆತ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಪಲ್ಲರ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ನಾಕ್ 31. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ 4 ಎಸೆತಗಳು ಈ ಓವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. 8 ಓಟ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಜಯ ಗಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಕೆದೂರು. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ. 1 ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯನ್ನ ಕಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 32. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಆಚಾರ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ನಿಜಾಮ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈ ತನ್ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಓವರ್ ಥ್ರೋ 4 ಕೋಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಕೀರ್ತಿಶ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಫಲಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೀರ್ತಿಶ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಫಲಕಕ್ಕೆ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಚೆಂಡಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಘಟಕರಿಗೆ 2,000 ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಗದು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ತರಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿರುಸಿನ ಆಟ ಬೌಂಡರಿಯನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜಯವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಕೆದೂರು ಜಯವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತದೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ.
One, two.
Electro.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈಗ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಂಡ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದ ಆಟಗಾರ ಭರತ್.